How to wrap text around image in MailChimp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to put a text and wrap it or put an image and wrap it into a specific text into the MailChimp campaign that you're going to create. It is going to be very simple and easy. We are going to head over MailChimp.com and then we are going to head over the campaigns. So basically we are going to have here a campaign modified, or we are going to have, for example, another, let's say, created campaign and etc. So we are going to have something added in here. So we have here the regular emails. I'm going to set up the email. Now what we're going to do is, after we have set up the recipients to the subscribers, we have the from, as you can see, or the sender name, the subject, the send time, and the content. We're going to click on edit content. After that, you're going to see that we're going to find the email or the newsletter that we have created in our case. So we are going to take it slowly from here. Now, what we're going to do is to select the text where we are going to add it. Basically, I'm going to start from scratch. I'm going to add a heading in here. Put here a title like newsletter. And we're going to have a paragraph added just like that. Now, from this paragraph, we're going basically here to have the paragraph typed. You can go ahead and have the paragraph set up, and then you're going to find everything in order. So I can go ahead and start typing in the paragraph. And as you can see, we're not going to see that it is going to have some of the images added. So now, as you can see, for the text or the paragraph that you're going to add, it is going to be something that we're going to have standard. Unfortunately, I cannot have an image wrapped around. So as you can see, we can have the text and the image differently separated. Now, this is going to be unfortunate, but we can go ahead and change here the layout by heading over the setting of our account. So I'm going to click on setting. Then we're going to head over the account and billing. From here, we are going to change the editor. So we're going to click on settings. So we're going to see details. And we're going to change to the classic builder, not the new one. So this is the classic builder. I'm going to save everything from here. Now we are going to create a new campaign. So we are going to have it just like that. We're going to create that campaign and click on design on the content. So it is going to be the thing from everything. Now I'm going to select any one of the templates that has been implemented. Now here, as you can see, we have a different editor or the classic builder. If I'm going to add a text here, it is going to be added as a block. Now for the block, you can see that we're going to have the text. We can have here the content studio. So I can go ahead and add, for example, an image from here and insert it into that text. I can go ahead and set up the height or the width of that, for example, into this area. So we are going to have it inserted. So depending on the type of the specific image, it is going to be something like that. You can have it here wrapped around. And here, you're going to find that the image is going to be set up in here. So you can go ahead and have, for example, I'm going to have here a 30 width. For example, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And here we have it. This is the wrap of the image around the text. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. And I hope to see you soon on the next one.